See what's going to happen, even with a diving start. This could put the advantage in Hayden Profit's column. Here we go! Skip going slower and slower. Hayden Profit pops the chutes. He's going to be a gentleman from Siloam Springs, Arkansas. His name is Matt Yonkin. Third-generation pilot. Matt's going to fly a 1943 Twin Beach aircraft. As we thank our great sponsors for this year's show, including the Hannity Automotive Group, our presenting sponsors, the Florida Times Union, ViStar Credit Union, iHeartMedia, 99.1 WQIK. Look at the cowlings come back. They're using thrust reversers. You can actually see the cowling of the or the nacelle, I should say, of the engine open up as they did their thrust reverse.